ये पहले कभी नहीं मिलता था। आई कैन लास्ट के अभी कुछ सालों में सपोर्ट इंक्रीज हुआ है। टॉप्स के प्लेयर्स बड़े हैं, जिसको जो फैसिलिटी चाहिए थी बाहर जाने के लिए वो दी गई है, और अनप्रेसिडेंटेड कोऑर्डिनेशन है बिटवीन मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ यूथ अफेयर्स, स्पोर्ट्स अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया, आईओए, नेशनल फेडरेशंस। इससे पहले इतना जो कोऑर्डिनेशन था वो थोड़ा सा मिसिंग हुआ करता था, बट आई थिंक दिस इज द बेस्ट that we have seen so far, and hopefully the athletes will be motivated, inspired, and being taken care of very well by the government of India, and these will translate into medals as well.
Gagan, chef the coach or chef the mission?
नहीं, कोच तो मैं अपने को कंसिडर नहीं करता, बट या आई एम मेंटरिंग अ फ्यू एथलीट्स, बट अदरवाइज शेफ द मिशन ऑलवेज when you're wearing Team India and you're assigned a role, so it is my duty to do whatever I can in my capacity to help Team India.
So what have you spoken to the players? आप किस तरीके से, क्योंकि हमने शेफ द मिशन देखे मोस्टली ऑफिशियल्स होते हैं, लेकिन एक ब्रॉन्ज मेडलिस्ट, एक ओलंपिक मेडलिस्ट शेफ द मिशन, क्या प्लेयर से बात हो रही है, किस तरीके से हेल्प कर रहे हो? यू आर मोर लाइक शेफ द मिशन प्लस मेंटोर रोल हम देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर.
No, I feel happy and proud that I am one of the few chef de missions who's also an Olympic medalist. I think there are a handful of people from other countries who are also Olympic medalists and chef de mission. I think there are about 6 or 7. So it's an honor for me that my country and the IOA has bestowed on me, and I'm happy that I'm able to. I was contributing to shooting athletes, and now I'm able to contribute to the entire country's athletes, and it's a very proud moment for me, and of course a very responsible one. There is a lot of pressure, but I'm hoping I can handle pressure as I did in London in the Olympics, and it's a different kind of pressure. The shooting range has only changed, so yeah.
Sir, no one could have been a better than you, because you know what a player goes through, what he is going through. So no one could have been a better chef de mission than the man himself, Gagan Naran.
Well, absolutely. I think our approach in this Olympics is athletes first, because I am an athlete myself, and our president, Madam P.T. Usha, is an athlete herself. So we've had conversations where we put athletes' interest before all else, and that will be the case. But having said that, not taking anything away from the administrators, I think they have a very important role to play. Now I'm on the other side, so I understand the difficulties and the pressures that they might face on a day-to-day basis. So I respect all the administrators and seniors who've been into sports administration in our country over the past so many years. I think it's a brilliant effort, and the combination of an athlete and an administrator, I think, will be fantastic going forward as well.
Gagan, I want to ask you as a whole, क्योंकि शूटिंग में ही पूछ सकता हूँ, आप इतने टॉप लेवल शूटर हो, लेकिन एज अ होल क्या 2004 से ओलंपिक्स कवर कर रहा हूँ, तो क्या बॉडी लैंग्वेज, कॉन्फिडेंस, इन सब में चेंज आया, मेंटल मेकअप पे चेंज है हमारे प्लेयर्स में लास्ट 10, 15, 20 years?
2004 मेरी भी पहली ओलंपिक्स थी, and I think after 4 Olympics there is a huge change in the motivation and the level of thinking that our athletes have today. I think आजकल के जो हमारे athletes हैं, वो पहले तो हम लोग डर के जाते थे कि भाई we used to feel underconfident because other countries were better than us, and slowly that changed, the mindset changed. People started watching sport more. People started playing sport more. We have great performances over the years of our athletes, and the confidence is at a completely new high. I think today's athletes don't go for participating in any competition. They want to go there and perform. Someone who was thinking about participation now is wanting to go into the top 8 or top 5. Someone who finished top 8 or top 5 wants to win a medal today. So, and not just any medal, they all want to win gold medals. So I think that differentiation is definitely there between what we used to face and what the athletes think today, and the confidence that किसी को मतलब अब अपने से ज्यादा नहीं समझते. They think that they are at par or even better than them. So that confidence level is very, very high, and that's a very positive sign for Indian sport.
आप 2004 से एशियन ओलंपिक्स से हैं, तो इन बार का कंपटीशन जो है वो लेवल, जो फील्ड डिस्टेंस, क्या कहेंगे आप सबको?
सर ओलंपिक्स में कंपटीशन लेवल तो मतलब आप मतलब सोच ही नहीं सकते. It's at the peak. You have the top 10, 12, 15,000 athletes, the best athletes from across the world competing. So there's no question about having any low level. Everything is at a very, very high level, and you have to be at your utmost best to perform. And I'm hoping that the athletes are at their best and give their best. Thank you. No, so this time we have a special Paris edition pin which
Yeah.
looks like this.
Okay.
So this is the first time that a pin is been made especially for an Olympic game. Earlier it used to be generic pins of Team India, but this is the first time, and I mean it's quite liked around the village. It's probably one of the most wanted pins that is being circulated. So we are happy that we're able to do that as well.
What is the exchange rate for the pin? 1:2.
Well, I'm advising athletes to have 1:2 at least. So it's an interesting pin. We have the Paris logo on it, and it's.
Exchange rate is 1:3. एक देंगे तो 3 लेंगे वापस.
आई थिंक सबसे पहले तो जो इंडिया में जो उत्साह है खेलों के प्रति वो बहुत बड़े लेवल पे बढ़ा है. खेलो इंडिया स्कीम भारत की या फिट इंडिया स्कीम आर एनकरेजिंग एथलीट्स टू प्ले स्पोर्ट. जब वो खेलेंगे तो दे गेट इंस्पायर्ड, दे विन सम मेडल्स एंड दे वांट टू डू बेटर एंड गो अहेड इन स्पोर्ट. सो आई थिंक ये मोटिवेशन हमारे देश के लिए बहुत अच्छा है और आगे जाके जरूर चैंपियंस प्रोड्यूस करेगा.
छोटी जगह में क्या कर रहे हैं जहाँ से हमारी
मैम
नौकरी से थे?
ये शेफ डेमिशन का रोल नहीं है ना. आप
ओके, ओके. अंदर से सुनते रहिए आकाशवाणी.
सुनते रहिए.